Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. And for breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Tada. Yeah, this is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Golden Arrows 1, MTN 8, quarterfinal. My brother, kunjani?
Ngobo kunjani bhuti wami?
Siyaphila njani bhuti?
Lami ngiyaphila Ngobo. Hey, into yenzakele wesisipedi Ngobo man. First of all, mina ngasho ngeze coach. Coach ama winger besinawo out yami. Now siletha ama winger ahlala emasayidini. Aways. Out yami thina into bomele sebenzisa uJames kuhamba nomnyane atheke siyakhona kuna lengwenya ibikhona out yami sorry kutsho kanjalo biyisihlahla lengwenya lesuka le Thomba umuntu asingo after of isihlahla but kamlethanga out yami right kuyimlo mjidi andibana ukhiphe umuntu asingo wafaka Thomba umthetho bezomaka besifuna umaboy kuphela intention phambili understand ukuya phambili out yami singatry but almost mina ngablema bona technical team nama players amanye out amasfanishela la yes understand abafanishananga Ngobo but enye neyinye asame silwela ama game I like for today asame silwela ama game Ngobo yena send ngiyabonga
Thank you.